fire has ripped through the 79-story Taj Tower in Dubai, but no casualties have been reported. The tower stands at 336 meters, making it one of the world's tallest residential buildings. Hundreds of people panicked. Residents fled one of the tallest towers in Dubai early on Saturday as a huge fire engulfed the skyscraper, causing extensive damage to its luxury flats. The inferno gutted the upper part of the 79-story Taj Tower, triggering an evacuation of nearby blocks in the Dubai Marina. Fire engulfing the upper floors of the tower, which is home to hundreds of expatriates, saw the burning debris falling on the road as strong winds fanned the flames. A resident Mehdi Ansari said that the fire alarm sounded at around 2 a.m. I saw there was fire and pieces of the building falling down, so I immediately took my wife and our baby. We took some important items and went down, he said. When he went to the staircase, it was full of smoke. Later the staircase got busier and smoker, the lights went off and some people panicked. Civil defense teams cleared the building, which at 336 meters, around 1,105 feet, is one of the world's tallest residential towers. Dubai police said there were no fatalities, but 7 people were treated at the scene of smoke inhalation. A civil defense department statement said the fire began on the 51st floor and swept across the tower's facade, affecting 20 stories. Major General Rashid Thani Al-Motsari, director of Dubai Civil Defense, said firefighters were able to stop the fire spreading to nearby buildings. Emergency teams used strict protocols to break in quickly and reach the source of the fire. Firefighters battled the blaze for more than 2 hours before hundreds of residents of nearby towers were allowed to return to their apartments. Dubai Marina is a popular expat neighborhood that has a high concentration of residential towers. It is also a major tourist attraction. Kirti Mehta, Next 9 News.